Let us see another problem on the balance sheet. So from the year 2015. Okay, so the question is fifth one. So let us see, from the following information prepare social balance sheet. So they have given the three additional information. Assets owned by the firm, so rupees in lakhs. Okay, so we have the building, equipment, furniture, vehicles and gardens and rainwater harvesting. So in this again we have the classification of the assets like residential, hospital, canteen, welfare and schools. Okay, so in the problem only they have given the total of these figure, but I have also done with the row wise total. Okay, that is the building has 125, 42, 30, 18, 46 as total 261. Equipment 14, 28, 20, 12, 28 as 102 total. Furniture has 10, 12, 5, 4, 8 as total 39. So vehicle has 8, 3, 3, 22, 36 as total. Garden 5 plus 10, 1, 10, 25, altogether 51 total. And the last one, rainwater harvesting, has 4 plus 12 plus 2 plus 8 plus 15 holds the 41. So altogether if you make the total of this side, or if you make the total of this side, it is the same 530. Okay, so 530 lakhs. Okay, now let us see the BC. An expert has valued the firm's human resource at rupees 525 lakhs. And also the firm's equity investment in social asset is valued at rupees 530. Okay, we have the only three items. So that is assets, next one human resources, and the next one is owner's capital. So by using these three, now we have to calculate, or now we have to prepare the social balance sheet. Okay, already here I have wrote the model, so you can see. So previously we solved, right? Similarly, so we will solve the first one, that is liabilities. Later on we'll see the assets. Okay, so here there are too many assets are there, so that's why I have taken is the row wise calculation. Okay, so the first one, let us see the liabilities. The two columns are there, particulars and the amount holds the rupees in lakhs. Okay, so the first one is owner's equity. Owner's equity, so you can see here the third one, the social assets is valued at 530 lakhs. Okay, so I am going to write 530 lakhs. Okay, next one, so they have given the word that human resources. Okay, the human resources or the contribution to staff or human assets all are same. Okay, it is going to give you the 525 lakhs. Okay, so the only two items are there in the liability. So let me give the total of these two, that is 530 plus 525. So I have the 1 crore 55, sorry 10 crore 55 lakhs. Okay, so we will write as it is. So the table itself showing in the lakhs. So we will come to know, so what is the total amount is, so 10 crore 55 lakhs. Similarly, we'll also verify with the asset side amount. Okay, the assets has the first one, that is investments or the assets. Okay, the assets have building, equipment, furniture, vehicle, garden and rainwater harvesting. Okay, so let us see one by one. Okay, that is the building has the residential, hospital, canteen, welfare and schools. The same wise I have taken the expenditures they have given in this one. Okay, so particularly, so if you write the column wise, it will take you the around 2 page or the 2.5 page. So that's why I have cut shorted into a row wise and the calculation. Okay, so it is 125, 42, 30, 18, 46. So the row wise total is already I have calculated to make easier. So 261 as the total. Okay, next one, the second one is equipment. Okay, the equipment has 14, 28, 20, 12 and 28. So what is the total of row wise? It is 102. Okay, so you can see, okay, you can refer, but in your book they didn't given this column. This column I have calculated to make easier to calculate my balance sheet. Okay, next one, furniture 10, 12, 5, 4, 8. So all together it is 39. Okay, next one, vehicle 8, 3, 3, 22. So it is 36. Next one, garden 5, 10, 1, 10, 25. So it is 51. Similarly, I have wrote here. You can just observe here. Next one, last one, rainwater harvesting 4 plus 12 plus 2 plus 8 plus 15. So I got with the 41 lakh. Okay, so I will write this into the decimal point also to make easier to calculate. So next one I only remained with, that is human assets or the resources. So what is the human assets amount? It is 525. So here we have the only the investment assets and the human assets. So we don't have any electricity or the water supply. So that's why we skipped that one. So let us make the total of this one, whether we will get the same answer as the 10 crore 55 lakh. Okay, 261 plus 102 plus 39 plus 36 plus 51 plus 41 plus 525. Okay, so it is same 10 crore 55 lakhs is the amount. So we hold with this social balance sheet. So both the assets and liabilities are totalized here and they are showing the same amount, means we have done the correct answer. So this ends your social accounting unit completion. So in the next video or in the next class, so we'll come up with the new methods for the calculation of the accounting. Okay, that is environmental accounting. So hope you understood all the income statement and the balance sheet from the calculation of social accounting. So hope you understood all these.